today I'm here at Uptown Bonifacio BGC and I have some great news for you because this month we're going to launch a new project just beside Uptown Arch Residence.
The project is called Uptown Modern, which is set to be the highest residential condo in Uptown BGC. It is an ultra-high-end 54 floors condo located in 9th Avenue, corner 40th Street, Uptown BGC, just beside Uptown Arts Residence and near JP Morgan Chase Building. It is only 400 meters away from Uptown Mall and walking distance lang from different international schools, so you can make sure na lahat ng kailangan nyo ay malapit lang talaga. It also has a lot of hotel-type amenities like gym, game room, function room, children's play area, and entertainment suite. Smart home equipped na nga rin pala and semi-furnished. And ang nag-separate talaga sa kanya from different condo project is yung 100% backup power and charging stations for e-vehicles. So if you are looking for a home in a prime